Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I was gonna go over my salad mining. 10 rigs is currently that I have, but I don't use them all for salad, so I only use 6 of them right now for salad, and then number 2, 5, 6, 7 I use on Warthog currently, and just mining on the kind of merge mining. We can say that, as a Brandon Cohen YouTuber mentioned, that that's not a dual mining, because we're not mining any of the jellyfish coins. It's just the merge mining, so you get paid some bonuses or some rewards for mining on their pool. So anyway, so I have basically 6 machines mining on the doing on the salad, and this is 3090 card doing 5 to 10 cents, and then I have that's per hour, so it's close to 250 a day, so not as great. It was almost double. I had a week that it was double. So this is Warthog, and then I have number 3 currently mining 225, so that's a typical one, and number 4 225. Now number 5, 6, and 7 is on Warthog, and then number 8, it's not doing anything, and I just discovered my net limiter is trial period expired. So my guess, it does not work any longer. I just need to probably uninstall, not to have a problematic software there that's not working. And on top of it, what I noticed, this last week was because I didn't have available on my network switch available places, so I installed that net limiter. But right now it looks like creating a problem to the network, my internet again, and it's could run all the way up to 1 gigabit, completely blowing off the whole thing. See, it's like it's only downloading and it's spiking sometimes, and it would just use all the available internet. So what I'm gonna do is, most likely, since the net limiter not working, I'm gonna just switch my Ethernet machines, because the Warthog doesn't need that limiter really. Realistically, I can switch this 3 and put this 3 on the on my switch, on my managed switch that I already set up the limits for the internet, and hopefully that will stabilize those 3 miners, because they're currently having an issue connecting. They're fighting for internet, and that's not good. Anyways, so my quick basically update there, it's not very balanced any longer. It was for a couple of days. It was super nice this 2-3 days, just considering only 6 machines was doing salad, and from 6 machines getting like around $8, that was pretty good. And then it dropped, $3 and then $3.80, so that's a not very good sign there. And obviously none of these machines there, it's only these 6 machines mining. So you could see that 3090 was doing really, really well on the somewhere between 15, 16, and 17. It went up to $5 a day just on a single 3090. That was pretty cool to see, but now it's down to $1.30. What is it? Yeah, just $1.30. So it's not very stable. It's up and down. If we look at 24 hours, it connects and disconnects. So I don't know if that's with the latest update, something happened there or not. Not 100% positive, but you could see how it's not stable. It just comes in, runs the job, short job, and boom, down, and then the cheaper job, or lower there and then up here. This was pretty good actually, 22 cents every hour, which is great. That's like $5, but then it drops. So it's very unstable now. It was just for 3 days. I was so happy, and then it just happened again. So yeah, it's salad, kind of disappointing. It's a little up and down. So, well, and obviously with the different demand now, with the 1590 card here being on top, their 4090 still kind of in higher demand, and surprisingly, it's looking like 4090 gets paid more Then 5090, and by the way, on 3090 I was getting 20 cents. That is actually very interesting, because I was getting at the 4090 rate. I'm not sure why. I never had that before, so I don't know if they just confused 4090 with 3090, or it just was my luck, or somebody needed 3090 and it was not available. I have no clue, but right now looks like in a low demand, and it's still, and I'm mining, and I'm happy because I'm doing 10 cents. That's fine. 3080 is doing 225, which is, that's where it is, and 3080 is not in demand, and 3080 Ti that I'm currently running is actually moderate demand, so similar to 3080, so there's not a big difference there. All right, so that's pretty much it for this quick update. Just wanna give you guys some thoughts, and then let me know if your experience similar with Salad, but also if you're running your jobs only on the Salad or something else. Just look at the video. Greater Good Mining posted. Not gonna look for it, but it's about his 3070s. He's turning a lot of profits on that. Doing on the AI mining, which is nodes. I forgot the coin, but need to look over that algorithm again and see what he's doing, just to test it out. Maybe one machine. I don't have 3070 set up with any, but maybe their 3080 will work or something like that, and I can switch a couple of my Warthog to that AI mining. So I'm gonna look over that video. Check it out. I believe the node you need to purchase, something like that, and we'll see. Anyways, that's it for this Salad mining update. I don't see any other. By the way, all my miners finally got every single one of them. I updated the NVIDIA driver and the latest 1.7.9 version of the Salad. I don't know if there's any newer version actually. Let's check. Click download. What's going on? It doesn't. Oh, it did. Okay. The latest 1.79. So yeah, they don't have anything different than this. So really is what else? I think that's it for this video. That's all I was gonna say. That's all my update for the Salad. What I was looking for some information is actually on the payout different. It was announcement, and I received a couple emails a few weeks ago. That is, they changing the payout structure. I haven't looked into that yet. I have a 164 balance. I pulled it out already. 900, something like that, right? Close to 900, somewhere like 880, right? So we'll have to see for the next payout what's the changes are. But if you guys are interested in that, let me know. I'll post the video. But other than that, that's all for the Salad, I guess. Not looking good right now, for me at least. I haven't checked the Extreme Wheel videos, Extreme Wheel Tech. He's posting usually a lot frequent videos about his update of the 30 rigs. I mean, obviously 30 rigs, it's a lot of rigs. I don't know how he handles the power, but to be honest, because is this 10 rigs, it runs for me sometimes all the way to 3 kilowatts at the spikes. So yeah, so it's like 300 watts per rig could easily spike if all of them work, especially when I was mining on the Warthog. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Click the like button, consider subscribing to my channel. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.